ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीवेंकटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the lesson Vrikshaha Satpurushaha Iva. Trees are like virtuous persons. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English of the solutions, the answers. Question number 1. पाठे लिखितानि सुभाषितानि सस्वरं पठन्तु अवगच्छन्तु लिखन्तु स्मरन्तु च. Chant the subhashitas given in this lesson melodiously. Understand them, write and remember them. So that I have already done it in the lesson part of this video. You can listen to that again and chant and understand the meanings and memorize them. Second one, पाठस्य आधारेण अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि एकपदेन लिखन्तु. Answer the following questions in one word based on the lesson. वृक्षाः स्वयं कुत्र तिष्ठन्ति? Where do the trees stand on their own? Surya Atape. They stand in the under the heat of the sun. Paropakaraaya kaha vahanti. Who flows for the sake of others? Nadyah. That is, the rivers flow for the sake of others. Dasha vapi samaha kaha bhavati. Who is equivalent to 10 step wells is Hradaha. A pond is equivalent to, or a lake is equivalent to 10 step wells. Satpurushaha iva ke santi. Who are like noble people, virtuous people. Vrikshaha. That is, trees. Arthinaha kebhya vimukhaha na bhavanti. Those people desirous of something, from where do they not go disappointed? Answer is Vrikshebhya. Kebhya is given, which is Chaturthi Vibhakti. So we should write Vrikshebhya is again Chaturthi Vibhakti. Vrikshaha Swayam Kani na khadanti. What do the trees not eat on their own? Phalani. They don't eat their own fruits. Question number 3. पाठस्य आधारेण अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि पूर्णवाक्येन लिखन्तु. Answer in full sentences in Samskrita. First question. Nadyah kim na pibanti. What do the rivers not drink? Answer is Nadyah swiyam jalam swayam na pibanti. So rivers do not drink their own waters. Vrikshaha asmabhyam kim kim yachanti. What do trees yield or give to us? Answer is Vrikshaha asmabhyam pushpani patrani phalani chayam mulani valkalani kasthani cha yachanti. They give us flowers, leaves, fruits, shade, roots, bark and wood, timber. Idam shariram kimartham asti. What is this body meant for? My body, each of our body. Idam shariram paropakaraartham asti. It is for the benefit of others in this world. Dashaputra samaha kaha bhavati. Who is equivalent to 10 children, 10 sons? Dashaputra samaha ekaha vriksha bhavati. A tree, one tree is equivalent to 10 children or 10 sons. Kesham vibhutayah paropakaraya bhavanti. Answer is Satam vibhutayah. The noble people, the glories of noble people, paropakara bhavanti, are meant for the other people's use. Anyasya chayam ke kurvanti. Anyasya chayam vrikshaha kurvanti. They provide shade to the other people. That's what is the meaning. Pattikataha uchitani padani chitva riktasthanani purayantu. Choose the appropriate word from this set given here and fill in the blanks. We have already done one. Chayamanyasya kurvanti tishtanti swayamatape. So we strike off that one. Phalanyapi pararthaya vrikshaha satpurusha iva. So we strike off vriksha also here. You should remember, you should memorize the shlokas in order to answer this question. Dasha hrada samaha putraha dashaputra samaha drumaha. Please take off that one also. Sujanasyeva yesham vai vimukhayanti narthinaha. So Sujanasyeva, please take it off. Paropakaraartham idam shariram. We take that one also of Swayam na khadanti phalani vrikshaha. So strike that one also of Paropakaraya satam vibhutayaha. So all the 7 words have been struck off. Next question. Udaharana anusaram adholikiteshu vakyeshu स्थूल अक्षर padanam vibhaktim nirdishanto. As in the example, write the vibhakti of the bold word in the following sentences. Vrikshaha anyasya krite chayam kurvanti. Chayam is in dvitiya vibhakti. Now here, vrikshaha pararthaya phalani yachanti. Phalani is also in dvitiya vibhakti only. वृक्षाः सत्पुरुषाः इव सन्ति. It's in प्रथमा विभक्ति सत्पुरुषाः. द्रुमः दश संतान समः भवति. That's also in प्रथमा विभक्ति. वृक्ष प्राणिभ्यः काष्ठानि यच्छति. प्राणिभ्यः is in चतुर्थी विभक्तिः. नद्यः जलं स्वयमेव न पिबन्ति. नद्यः is in प्रथमा विभक्तिः. सज्जनानां संगतिम करोतु. संगतिम is in द्वितीया विभक्तिः. Next question. अधोलिखितानां पदानां द्विवचने बहुवचने च रूपाणि लिखन्तु. Write the following words in dual and plural numbers. वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः. मेघः मेघौ मेघाः. ह्रदः ह्रदौ ह्रदाः. सत्पुरुषः सत्पुरुषौ सत्पुरुषाः. छाया छाये छायाः. This is a feminine word. Akaranta strilinga pada. Vapi is ikaranta strilinga pada. Vapyau vapyaha. Nadi is nadyau nadyah. It's also strilinga pada. Shariram is a napumsakalinga pada. Neuter gender. Sharire sharirani. Pushpam pushpe pushpani. These are all the answers. Next, question number 7. अधोलिखितानां पदानां परस्परं समुचितं मेलनं कृत्वा कः किं ददाति इति लिखन्तु. Match the following here and indicate who gives what. For example, वृक्षः शुद्धं वायुं ददाति. A tree yields pure air, clean air. गौः दुग्धं ददाति means गौः, a cow, gives milk. Suryaha prakasham dadati means sun gives us brightness or light. Nadi jalam dadati means a river gives us water. Agnihi tapam dadati means fire gives us heat. Shikshakaha vidyam dadati, a teacher gives us education, knowledge, learning. Now the last question. अधोलिखितानां क्रियापदानां लट् लकारे प्रथम पुरुषस्य रूपाणि लिखन्तु. Write the following verbs in lat lakara, which is present tense and prathama purusha. For example, kurvanti, karoti, kurutah kurvanti. That's what he is given in the example. Tishtanti, tishtati, tishtatah, tishtanti means stands. Phalati, phalatah, phalanti. Yati, yatah, yanti. Pibati, pibatah, pibanti. Khadati, khadatah, khadanti. Well, this brings me to the end of this lesson. Vrikshaha Satpurushaha Iva. This completes all the lessons in your Deepakam 6th standard textbook. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. YouTube Amara Bharata. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Vande Mataram. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.